Right now, at this very second, you have a permanent, uninvited commentator in your head. And it's not on your team. It's the voice that says, "That's stupid," before you even speak. The one that whispers, "Who do you think you are?" when you try something new. You think it's keeping you safe. It's not. It's keeping you small, and today we're evicting it. Most advice tells you to just think positive. That's garbage. You can't paste a good vibes only sticker over a screaming critic. It doesn't work. You need a strategic replacement. Not a mute button, but a takeover. This isn't about fake positivity. It's about moving from commentary to coaching. Here's the ruthless practical framework. 3 steps you will use the next time that critic pipes up. Step 1. Notice the voice. Identify the enemy. Step 2. Isolate the critic. Contain the damage. Step 3. Replace with coaching. Execute the takeover. This is operational. Let's begin. Step 1. Notice. Don't just hear the voice. Identify it. The moment you feel that pang of "I can't" or "I'm an idiot," pause. Literally say in your mind, "Ah, there's the critic." This is not you thinking. This is a program running. You are the user observing the program. Detach. This is your first moment of power. Step 2. Isolate. You don't argue with the critic. You don't reason with it. You contain it. Visualize putting that rant in a box and setting it aside. You're not killing it, you're sidelining it. The statement, "I am a failure," is now an object. The critic is claiming, "I am a failure." See the difference? One owns it. The other quarantines it. Step 3. Replace. Now, with the noise contained, you bring in the coach. The coach doesn't deal in insults. It deals in strategy. It asks calm, specific questions the critic never could. The critic says, "You will embarrass yourself." The coach asks, "What's the worst that can happen, and how would you handle it?" The critic says, "You failed." The coach says, "What's one piece of data we can learn from this?" This is the takeover. This is the new reality. The critic doesn't get the mic anymore. It might sit in the box and mutter, but you've installed a new head of security. The coach. This isn't a one-time fix, it's a drill. You will fail at it. The critic will win some rounds. Your job is not to be perfect. Your job is to notice faster. The goal isn't a silent mind. That's a fairy tale. The goal is a productive inner dialogue. You're trading the voice of panic for the voice of process. Here's your non-negotiable drill for the next 24 hours. Your only task? Catch the critic once. Just once. Notice the voice. Name it. There's the critic. Isolate it. Mentally box it. Then ask one coach question. Okay, what's the very next move? Just once. Prove to yourself you can change the channel. Stop letting a chaotic, fear-based narrate your life. Install a strategic coach. Do the drill. Comment below and tell me what your critic said when you caught it. Subscribe and now go. Your coach is waiting.